Hello, good evening. My name is Francisco Antonio. From BSIT 13, and the reason why I'm here now is to present my 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 knowledge regarding on the STS, or what we call Science, Technology, and Society. So before we start, um, I gave a little ideas regarding on the topic. So STS is, for me, science, technology, and society is everything. Why? Because um, it takes a lot of knowledge regarding on the regarding on the technology, especially nowadays, regarding on technology and science, and and one of the most important is the society. So my understanding, I take the note for my understanding regarding on the topic. So for me, that studies the conditions under which the production and distribution and utilization of scientific knowledge and technological system occur. Yan. So it means pumapaloob to sa maraming ibig sabihin na nangyayari from history, and then from nowadays. Um, may mga chances na it repeat from itself, na nangyari na nun, pero nangyayari pa rin yan. And the consequences of these activities upon different people, STS builds on the history and philosophy. So kanina nga sabi ko, based din dun sa ano ko sir, na nabasa ko sa module, may mga history and philosophy na na inaaral pa rin until till now. Kasi yung yung naging idea ko nung binabasa ko pa lang yun, sabi ko na yun nga, mahalaga naman din talaga na malaman natin yung history, dahil history is everything. History, it gives a lot of knowledge to people, especially sa mga new gen. And history yung nag 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 nagbibigay ng sa atin, ng pagkakakilanlan, ganun, kung ano yung meron sa atin from the past. Then science and technologies, sociology and anthropology, policy studies, and cultural and literary studies, all of which shape of the modes of analysis deployed in the field. So yun nga, pumapaloob siya pumapaloob siya sa mga maraming topic. Nagde-deploy siya ng analysis regarding on the things. So yun, pero yung yung pinaka na understand ko regarding dito sa science, technology, and society is about the philosophy and history. So yun, yun nga, why we should study society, science, technology, and society, because this discussion is very important, dahil bilang bilang tao din, na actually ako, may din ako sa history, kaya naiintindihan ko rin siya kahit paano. So yun, that's all lang sir. Hopefully na medyo naiintindihan yung explanation ko. Hindi po kasi masyadong magaling, pero I still trying my best. Pero yan, nag-take note lang ako ng konti sir. Then naiintindihan ko naman po siya sir. Bawi na lang ako sa isa. Yan lang po sir. Thank you, good evening. And again po, ako po si Francisco Antonio from BSIT 1. Thank you sir.